Feeling stressed as this holiday season approaches? It's so easy to get caught up in the busyness and lose touch with what this time of year is all about: warmth, connection, and fun. That's why I'd love for you to join me for a beautiful event, a chakra dancing and meditation class. I call it Dance of Light. Hi, I'm Maria, and I'm a certified chakra dancing and creative meditation teacher, and I'm hosting a very special Dance of Light, a class designed to lift your spirits and brighten your season. So save the date, Saturday, December 6th, 2025, from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And that's Pacific time. And the dance will be held at the McTavish Academy of Art near Sydney, British Columbia, Canada, and it's right by the airport. So what's chakra dancing? Well, it's a powerful, intuitive movement practice that helps clear and balance your 7 main chakras, your body's energy centers. And you'll move to world music, especially composed to resonate with each of the chakras from root to crown. Imagine yourself dancing freely through the colors of the rainbow, grounding in red, flowing with orange, shining in yellow, opening your heart with green, expressing in blue, trusting in indigo, and glowing in violet light. And the beauty is, your dance is up to you, your style, your energy, your choreography. Just come as you are. For me, every time I dance through the chakras, I always feel calm and uplifted at the same time. And I'd love to share that experience with you too. And then following the chakra dancing, I'll take you through a guided meditation where you'll relax and rest and center yourself and bring yourself back to earth. And then we'll choose some oracle cards for more guidance. And just by attending, you will have a chance to win a copy of my book, Closer to Indigo. Yeah, so your name will be put in a draw, and I'll draw for some winner to get a copy of my book. It's a signed copy, and so yeah, that's just an added bonus. So by the time the 90 minutes fly by, and they will, you'll leave feeling refreshed and inspired and radiant and glowing from within and ready to take on the holiday season. And tickets are $25 Canadian at the door, and there's also a $20 early bird ticket that you can find online, and that's available until November 22nd. Just so you know, there are only 20 spots available in the class, so best to get the early bird ticket and make sure that you have a seat in the class. Just wear comfortable clothes, something maybe flowy, something maybe you'd wear to a workout class. Trainers or bare feet are fine, and bring water, a yoga mat, and your crystal bracelets if you got them. So right now I'm wearing Amazonite, moss agate, clear crystal quartz, and green aventurine. So those are mine that I'm wearing today, but you could bring whichever colors you like. And feel free to email me if you have any questions. So the Dance of Light, it's a beautiful way to head into the holiday season, and I'd love to see you there. Click the link below to save your spot, and let's dance together. Remember, save the date, Saturday, December 6th, 2025. If you're in the Victoria, British Columbia, Canada area, I'd love for you to join us. Take care and keep